Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon SLT. Of course, the Denali Yukon gets a lot of love, but not so much love comes to the lower trim levels such as this SLT. So I'll go ahead, I'll grab the key. That way I can show you guys how all this works. So you have two options in terms of the rear hatch. You can go ahead, open the full hatch, or you can open the window. So say you don't want to open this full thing, you just need to drop a shopping bag down there, you can. You can also see how the rear wiper gets hidden up by the spoiler, right in there. And we'll open the full back. Of course, the Yukon XL is coming in the next couple of weeks. You can drop that rear seat there. So everything is power adjustable. Does have the rear seat entertainment package. Just overall a very, very nice vehicle. It's panoramic sunroof. Yeah, very, very nice. I can't wait to drive the Yukon XL because there's really no way that you would need more room than this. But they're gonna provide it. You have a nice little cubby hole in here. You can see it. It's pretty decently sized. You can put a bunch of pens in there, or you can even store the key if you really desire. This one here is fitted with the 5.3. You can upgrade to the 6.2. Total price of $68,000. Not too bad at all in the grand scheme of things. So overall, this car is really, really nice. Tons of features. It definitely is a huge step in the right direction for GMC and GM in general. You can see over those bumps, absolutely awesome. It rides so well. Love the turn signal sound too. It's not that typical click clack click clack. It's very, very subdued in a way. It's obviously not the fastest thing in the world, but it's not the slowest either. Bunch of different drive modes. You have normal, sport, off-road, tow haul, and then back to normal. I've been driving it in sport. It's been really, really fun. Steering wheel is nice and weighted. Definitely tighter steering compared to normal. Transmission tuning is a little bit sharper too. It will shift a lot quicker. You can also limit what gear the truck is going to stay in. Well, not stay in, exceed. So if you don't want it going past 5th gear, go ahead and put it in low, and you can manually control the gear limiter. Love the materials in here too. Even without being the top of the top of the top of the end, it's still really, really nice. Overall though, the Yukon is really, really a good vehicle. I have no complaints at all with it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.